how about the copy that you're putting with it? Is it supposed to be long? Is it supposed to be short? Is it supposed to have questions and ask for engagement, or what does that look like usually?
Yeah, so this is a great question. It does depend on the platform, some platforms, and it depends on the person too. Different people have different opinions on this. I think that there's three components, right? Every piece of copy should have three components. First off, the first component is you got to have a hook, something that's going to make someone stop the scroll. They're going to stop scrolling through Instagram or LinkedIn, and they're going to stop because you've put some words together that make them stop. And that can be, I like something like a quote. Maybe it's a bold statement, right? Maybe that is a compelling question, right? So I start out with some sort of hook, then I go into a short explanation of that hook, and then I end it typically with some sort of call to action, right? And that can be leave a comment below. What are your thoughts? Podcast episode here, et cetera. Again, there's no one right answer to this, but that's the way I structure my posts. Hook, content, call to action.